Welcome to PointWise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how you can borrow a license from your main license server. Now, the feature I'm going to be talking about is called license roaming. This is a great way to have access to your PointWise license on your laptop while you are away from your office and you're not connected to the main network. Now, the roam feature lets you borrow a license from the server for up to 31 days. One thing that we always try to recommend is that you borrow the license for only the days that you're actually going to use it and no more. This is because when you borrow a license file, it will decrease how many PointWise processes are available to other users on your main license server by one process. So you're basically holding on to that process. Now keep in mind that that process that you borrowed is going to stay borrowed until either the roaming period expires or you return it manually using the file license return feature. At this point, my machine is connected to the network and I went ahead and started PointWise, which, as I can see down here, PointWise is actually getting a process from my main license server, and my license in that server is going to expire in 249 days. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can borrow a license from your main server. File, license, roam. You can borrow this process or this license up to 31 days. We always recommend doing it just for the days that you need. In this case, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do it for just one day. Okay, I can see down here in the messages window that I have successfully borrowed my license after just a few seconds, and this license will expire in one day. At this point, my machine is not connected to the network, so it is actually a standalone machine, and I went ahead and started PointWise again. I can see in PointWise right here in the messages window that my license in fact will expire in one day. This is my borrowed license. Okay, my machine is connected to the network once again, and I went ahead and launched PointWise again. Keep in mind, I still have to return my borrow process. So the messages window indicates that the roaming license has been returned early. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.